By 2030, a terrifying shift is coming to the job market. Your job may no longer exist for you. AI has already started replacing millions of jobs, and you probably don't even realize it yet. There was a time when people thought robots would only work in factories, but today, AI is writing articles, editing videos, writing code. It's even entering the fields of doctors and lawyers. The world's biggest companies are now laying off thousands of employees and replacing tasks with AI. Experts say by 2030, millions of jobs could completely change. But the scariest truth is, AI will not replace every job. It will replace the people who don't know how to use AI. In the next 5 years, the most valuable skill will be knowing how to use AI effectively. Because the future won't be human versus AI, it will be people who use AI versus people who don't. Are you ready for the future AI challenge? Comment below. Do you think AI will really take over all jobs?